G'day folks, just doing a little series on maintenance on your aquaponic system. And my first tip and critical tip is your bell siphons. Keep your bell siphons clean of roots. So I'm going to bring you along and show you what I do once a week just to check my bell siphons. And this will be an ongoing series on maintenance on your aquaponic system. Okay folks, let's get to it. Okay, pull your bell siphon and standpipe out. And what you got to do is, if I can show you, maintenance on your pipe. If you can see down, let's see if I can show you. See down there? See all those roots? You need to clean all those roots out. Otherwise what will happen over time is it's going to clog up your bell siphon and overflow your bed. So what you're going to do is just clean all them out. The first thing you do is you turn this pipe. So you turn it like that. Break all the roots off. And put your hand down there. Then your hand down there. And just dig out as much of those roots as you can. See all those roots? Let's get that back out of there. See, that there over time will just get more and more and will just clog up your bell siphons and your bell siphons will stop working. So you've got to make sure you can get as much of that out of there as you can. And you've got to do it at least, check it once a week. Just, once a week, just to make sure. You don't have to clean them out once a week, but just to get a good check on what's going down in there. So, see there's still some roots down there. I can't actually get it to focus. There we go. See those roots? Still need to get all them out. So I'll get them out and I'll get back to you. Okay. Majority of the roots are out and clean. So I'll put my standpipe back in. Standpipe back in, bell siphon back on, and I will check it again. Turn my water back on. Over here. Out of the way. Water back on. And there you go. That's the amount of roots I've got out of there. Now I'll check that, now these plants are getting bigger, I'll check it every week just to make sure it's not getting all clogged up. And that's tip number one in maintaining your aquaponic system, is you must check your bell siphons. Make sure they're clean and free of roots before they get clogged up and overflow and clog your system up. And then what will happen is this over time will clog your pipes up. Your pipes won't let the water through. Your grow beds will fill up with water and overflow and you'll lose a lot of water. So folks, any questions, comments, leave them down in the comments section. If you like what I've done, hit that like button. If you want to see future videos or look at other videos on my channel, you're quite welcome. Hit that subscribe button if you like, and hit that little bell so you know when I upload another video. Okay folks, hope you're all having a fantastic day, and I'll catch you next video.